surprise someone with an unforgettable birthday? In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to turn an ordinary photo into a stunning 3D illusion birthday slate design, ready for laser engraving, using Luma-Loft. Let's get started. First, open your Tools menu and head to the Style Transformer. Browse through the available styles and choose the birthday slate relief to give your project that elegant, bas-relief dimension perfect for engraving. Now, click on the Upload area to bring in your photo. Find and select your image. Once uploaded, confirm so it opens up right inside the editor. For the best visual impact, crop and refine your image. Set the crop to full, adjust your frame until you're happy. Apply the crop to lock in those changes. Next, for more control, open the Advanced Settings menu to select your desired output resolution. And remember to enable the Convert to Grayscale toggle for consistent results. Click into the additional description field and add personal touches like a birthday message or a name. As an example, add text, Scarlet, on the banner, in a white bold fancy 3D font. Once everything looks perfect, click Transform to process your photo. After rendering, download the 3D Illusion Slate file straight to your device. Check your downloads and open the finished file to see your one-of-a-kind 3D Illusion Slate design in full detail. If you enjoy our content and want us to continue sharing tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. To prep for engraving, send your artwork to the Laser Engraving Preparation tool. For clean results, confirm the cropping and remove the background for clarity, then hit Apply. And use Fit Content to fill the engraving area appropriately. Finalize the crop to save your adjustments. Set up size and quality by adjusting height, toggling your DPI settings, and changing the width to match your real-world slate material. To keep things fast and easy, open the Material Presets drop-down, search for slate-specific templates, and choose the Slate Standard for quick setup. Now, dive into the image settings. Switch off Invert Output Toggle option and adjust contrast, gamma, and brightness to make every detail pop in the final engraving. Satisfied with the adjustment? Switch on the Invert Output Toggle option for materials like black acrylic or slate so your image always looks its best. Next, select your preferred processing algorithm, such as Grayscale if you are not using Lightburn, and choose Stucky in your engraving software. If you are using Lightburn, keep the settings as they are, but make sure to select Pass-Through mode and do not change the size. And that's it. Export and process your masterpiece. Download your cutting line SVG if needed. Download your PNG file, and check the notification to make sure your ultra-personalized 3D birthday slate is ready to share or engrave. You've just learned to create an impressive 3D illusion birthday slate that's perfect for a unique and meaningful gift. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop any questions in the comments below.